So you finish doing all your curve stuff and you want to come back to straight edges. Pretty straightforward. Get your straight edge. Put it on here. What I like to do is I like to just clamp it. It just makes it a bit easier. Nice and easy. This is out of the way, nice and straight. So, in-feed guides touching to the glue pot. There is a minor gap in there. This is completely normal. After that, grab our rollers, put it in the slot, tighten. You'll notice that it moves, there's a little slot, it can move backwards and forwards. So what you can do is, grab yourself a bit of edge tape, touch, lock it in, and do it again for the rest of them. Lock it in, 2 more. There's always one that gets stuck on something. Here we go. Just double check, lock. You don't need to do Hercules tight. It's not going to go anywhere. That's it. Perfect.